All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're building your personal guide to mastering artificial intelligence. It's kind of crazy, but in just a couple of years, this stuff has gone from a super niche tech topic to an absolutely essential skill for pretty much everyone. So let's break down what you actually need to know to get ahead of the curve. So let me ask you something. When you hear the letters AI, do you still get a picture in your head of some sci-fi movie? Sentient robots, flying cars, that whole thing? It's a common idea, for sure. But the reality of AI today, right now, is way more immediate and frankly, a lot more useful. Because right now, AI isn't some far-off concept anymore. It's not hype, it's a fundamental toolkit. It's basically the new electricity, powering innovation in every industry you can think of. And it's already shaping our daily lives in some pretty deep and surprising ways. Okay, so to really wrap your head around this, we've got to start with the foundational building blocks. Let's break down the 3 key terms that you're going to hear thrown around everywhere. Once you get these, everything else starts to click into place. First up, the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. The easiest way to think about AI is as this huge, broad umbrella term. It covers literally any system that's designed to mimic human-like intelligence, whether that's learning from experience, reasoning its way through a tough problem, or just understanding context. Now, nestled right under that big AI umbrella, you've got machine learning, or ML. And this, right here, is the real engine of almost all modern AI. See, instead of a programmer writing a bunch of fixed rules, ML algorithms learn patterns and make predictions directly from data. That ability to learn on its own is what gives AI all of its power. And the third piece of our puzzle is natural language processing, or NLP. This is basically the magic that lets us talk to our computers and smartphones. It's the branch of AI that's completely focused on helping machines understand, interpret, and even generate human language, whether you're typing it or speaking it. And the evolution of this field has been unbelievably fast. I mean, the ideas were kicking around back in the 1950s, but the real explosion started in 2012 with this massive breakthrough in understanding images. Then, just a decade later, boom, 2022 hits, and suddenly generative AI tools are everywhere. And that brings us right to today, where the big focus has shifted to making AI that's efficient and seamlessly integrated into the stuff we do every day. So that's the whirlwind history tour that gets us right here, to this moment. What are the key trends defining the AI landscape right now? What do you really need to be paying attention to? This year really marks a point where AI is, it's growing up. The focus is shifting away from just building these gigantic, flashy models that do one cool thing, and it's moving toward creating practical, interconnected systems that deliver real-world value. It's all about building a cohesive ecosystem, not just a bunch of one-off experiments. Okay, let's just quickly run through these trends because they tell a really clear story. First, we have autonomous and agentic AI. Think of these as assistants that don't just answer your questions, but can actually go and complete complex tasks for you. Then there's multimodal AI. This one is a game changer. It means AI doesn't just see text or images, but it understands them together, along with video and audio. We're also seeing a huge push for more efficient models. Smaller, faster, cheaper, systems that give you more bang for your buck. All of this is being built on brand new cloud and even quantum infrastructure. And importantly, it's all happening with a much stronger focus on ethics, regulations, and clear workflows. So we've covered the what and the why, but now for the most important part. How can you actually start learning all this yourself? Well, I've got some good news. You don't need a fancy degree. For the most part, all you really need is YouTube. It really boils down to this simple but super effective 3-step strategy. Step 1, start with the basics. Get those core concepts we talked about down cold. Step 2, move to projects. This is where the real learning happens, when you apply what you know and actually build something. And step 3, you've got to keep up with the trends. Follow the latest research to stay current, because this field moves fast. And YouTube is the perfect place for this whole journey because it caters to literally every learning style. Are you the kind of person who wants a comprehensive, multi-hour deep dive course? It's not you covered. Or would you rather just get a quick 10-minute summary of a brand new research paper? Yep, it's got that too. So where should you start? Think of this slide as your treasure map. If you want structured, university-quality courses, Andrew Ng's deeplearning.ai is the absolute gold standard. For mind-blowing visual explanations of the math that makes all this work, you have to check out 3 Blue 1 Brown. If you're someone who learns by doing, Centex is your go-to for hands-on coding projects. And to stay on the absolute cutting edge, 2-Minute Papers gives you fantastic summaries of new research. The main takeaway here is to find the style that clicks for you and just dive in. All right, so you've got a learning tha. Let's connect these skills back to the real world. Because this isn't just about theory and code. This is technology that is fundamentally reshaping our lives, right now. I mean, just think about your day. The way your phone automatically organizes your photos. AI. The TV show recommendations you get? AI. That fraud alert you got from your bank? Yep, that was AI too. It's truly become the invisible infrastructure of modern life. Of course, the road ahead isn't perfectly smooth. We have to be honest and clear-eyed about the very real challenges. Things like job displacement, ethical issues, and the massive energy demands of these models. But on the flip side, the opportunities are just immense. We're talking about the potential for revolutionary scientific discovery, incredible breakthroughs in hardware, and a chance to completely redefine what work even means. When we really boil it all down, this isn't a story about humans versus machines. That's the old sci-fi trope. The real future, the one we're building now, is about partnership. It's about fusing our human creativity and our values with the incredible analytical power of AI to solve problems we could never even dream of tackling before. So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final thought. We are standing at a pivotal moment in history, with the tools to build a truly different future sitting right at our fingertips. The only question that really matters anymore isn't what can AI do, it's what will you build with it?